Hello, how are you? Today I want to show you a new tool that I developed, and this is mostly focused on the prepping the meshes correctly for visualization. Either it could be like you're working on Blender or probably you're exporting this to Unreal. But sometimes even when you have your mesh, designers or the one that model the car could add some camber to the wheels, and this could cause a problem because the rotation on how the wheels are going to perform in the rig could be messed up because it will have some angle. Sometimes it's noticeable, but sometimes it's not, and you will have to be sure about it to just be on grid and no zero deviation on the wheels. And you can go and adjust it manually, but with this tool, which is called Easy Camber, you can do it super quickly. So let me show you how it's done. So for this, I'm using the other tool that I've developed that is called Car Prep, which allowed me to put all the meshes inside specific collections. If you don't have the tool, you can download it, and I will put the link in the description. Or you can do it without it. You just have to proper assign the meshes that corresponds to each wheel to a specific collection name like this: front left wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, rear right wheel. But also bear in mind that calipers are going to be fixed, and you should probably do another separate collection for that. But you know, it's gonna be easier if you just grab the tool and do it like this. So I'm gonna hide every single okay, no, I will keep that. I will hide body glass, interior, and I will remain all the wheels and calipers. And I'm gonna go to the ortho view. And as you can see, probably there is some deviation in this angle, but we don't know exactly what angle it is. We could go and ask for the one that modeled it or the designer, but sometimes we don't have that information. Or we can just try to manually adjust it and make it look that it's on grid. But if it is not like straight zero out, can cause some problems in the rig. So basically with the Easy Camber tool that I developed, and it's basically running as an add-on, so you should just probably download it, go to preferences, install from disk, and look for the Pi file and just install it. Should be ready to go, and you can just easily do it. So if you can see, when you hit N on the keyboard and go to tools, the first thing that you will notice is that there is a collection status, which is gonna tell us that we have effectively added some meshes into the collections that are gonna be affected for the tool. So front left wheel, rear, front, and the calipers. And if you don't want to stress out to figure out the angle that the camera it has, so you can just basically go to straighten all to zero, and it will look for it and will get the four wheels of the car straightened to zero, so it will be perfectly aligned to this axle. Also, maybe you want to do this opposite thing and you will add some camber, because probably you're gonna do some steels here in Blender, or you just want to export it with camber already and it didn't had before. You can also add it, for example, like a 1 degree, and you can control it separately, the front and the rear axle. And you can do, like, for example, I will put 1 degree and 1 degree in the rear, apply to all wheels, and they're gonna be applied to the four of them. But we can play with different values. I'm gonna straighten all. Just remember, for now, these values are gonna be added on top of it. So if I already had one and I put two after that, it will sum to 3. So I will go straighten all to 0 again, and let's put some 2 degrees in front, and let's make it noticeable, I don't know, 6 degrees on the back. And we can do it like apply to all wheels, but if we want to probably first take a look at the front, we can just apply that angle to the front and remain the rear axle at 0. And after that, we can just do rear and add it. And as you can see, we can have separate values for each axle. And if it was maybe too much, we can just go straighten all, and I don't know, do something more common. I don't know, 1.5 front, 1.5 rear, apply to all wheels, and we should have it. And if you unhide all the meshes, we have a nice camber to the wheels. The only thing that you should remember is that this works with a specific collection names, which are these that you can show here. So if you don't have the car prep tool, you will have to manually create a collection with these specific names and add the meshes that corresponds, and then the tool will properly work. So that's it. Hope this works for you, and let me know if there's something or any suggestions for the tool on the comments, and hope to see you soon.